Do you need tree felling in Auckland? Do you want someone you can count on to return your call? Then phone Arborists Auckland on 09 281 3205 for a free tree felling quote. We guarantee your call will be returned by 10 AM tomorrow morning at the absolute latest, or you'll get $150 off your tree felling quote. We do all tree felling, from a lone single tree to an entire site clearance. We fell trees with expert control, and we always clean up after ourselves. So for safe and hassle-free tree felling in Auckland, phone 09 281 3205 or visit arborists.auckland.co.nz for more information.